If you own an N70 or N80 Hilux and you're wanting to enhance your ride with top-of-the-line suspension, then you've come to the right place. Because in this video, we're going to be covering everything there is to know about Formula 4x4's F4R remote res lift kits and exactly how they can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance. So what sets these kits apart though? Well, the Formula 4x4 F4R remote res lift kits come with these F4R remote res shocks, and they offer numerous benefits over your standard lift kit shocks. Some of these benefits is a larger bore diameter than your standard typical lift kit shock, plus also an attached remote reservoir, allowing for a larger oil capacity and better cooling efficiency. The front shocks are three-way adjustable, featuring spring preload and height adjustment, allowing you to change the lift between 2 to 3 inches of lift on the front, as well as high speed and low speed compression and rebound adjustment. The rear shocks are two-way adjustable, featuring high speed and low speed compression, as well as rebound adjustment point. The shocks have 26 clicks of adjustment, meaning you can fine-tune the ride to suit whatever your needs are, no matter whether that's loading up to go away or taking the vehicle through some tough tracks. Built tough with an aviation-grade alloy body, these kits feature a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. So what exactly do you get with these kits? Well, to start off with, you get front F4R struts and springs fully assembled. You get the mounting brackets for the front reservoirs. You also get a front chassis brace drop spacer to help clear it from the sway bar. You also get rear F4R shocks, U-bolts, greasable shackles and bushes, leaf springs, and as well as a rear brake line spacer kit. As with all of our lift kits, we offer several optional extras. Firstly, we highly recommend that you do get the upper control arms as an optional extra. This will help to ensure that you get the correct alignment after a lift, as well as ensure you have no clearance issues between the upper control arms and the front struts. And if you're planning on only having occasional loads, such as towing a caravan or boat, or maybe only loading up to go camping here and there, we recommend you look at getting airbags. Because with airbags, you can have the lighter duty leaf springs day to day, keeping your ride comfortable and not so harsh. But then when you do need to load up, you can just pump up the airbags, level your ride back out, and enjoy a nice, safe drive. Each kit comes with instructions for those that want to install the lift kit themselves. However, if you want us to install the lift kit for you, simply select Click and Fit during checkout, and you can select one of our local dealers around Australia for us to fit it for you. To check out the kit online, click the link below, or you can head to the Fulcrum website. If you have any questions regarding the video today, feel free to leave them down below in the comment sections and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise guys, get out there and go exploring.